Makiamukirwo na ndohio na gikeno kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA ahotani arigi nene ya bururi Kenya Pipeline na aria mararikiria mari namba igere mbitikaini ici mari na mwihoko ati ni megukorwo makihiukia ngogeno mwaka ukite kuona ikerekaine ria mwaka muhituku marikitie mari namba 3.
This year I had a covenant with my players that we will work very hard to make sure we play finals of this edition. God is great, we have done it. We did not lift the cup, but we have accomplished our mission. Next year, we will enter this competition and lift the cup. Everything has a process.
Pipeline makunikirwo ngucanio-ini ya final ni kirabu gia Zamalek Sporting Club kuma bururi wa Egypt na seti 3-1 no kurigana na captain wa nyarari ici mai na mwihoko wa gwika wega ngucanio-ini ciokite. Rita ria muthia Kenya Pipeline mahiukirie ngogeno mwaka-ini wa 2005.
We have been number 5 2021, number 3 2022, 2023 number 2. That means we are improving in each and every game or each and every year, and we are fine and we thank God.
Mwena-ini wao ateteri ikerekania mwaka uyu kirabu gia KCB mararikirie mari namba 5 na kuria kuringana na coach wa kirabu giki ari na matanya ma gwika wega ngucanio-ini ciokite kuona athaki aria arakuruhanitie athaki aingi ethi.
The team is still young and we are still energetic. It's only very minor mistake that we made that we could not proceed to the semi-finals. But I'm hopeful that we are going to rectify and be a force to reckon with in the next coming championship, in the next year's championship.
Irabu ici igukorwo ikiambika mehariria ma ngucanio cia rigi ya bururi ya KVF na iritanyitwo kwambia mweri-ini wa 8 handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.